Hello all you half-pints out there, and welcome. My name is Kim and you're on my channel. Today you are joining me for another, something a little bit different this time. This time I'm going to be doing some more of the Isle, but it's going to be more of a guide. I've heard a little bit of discussion of people trying to find out how to navigate in this game. They're not really sure how to do it. You know, you see chords being mentioned. Oh, come to here, negative blah blah blah, space blah blah blah. And you guys are like, what? Where is that? What is that? And how do I get there? Well, I'm gonna actually tell you how to get there in case you don't know. First of all, the most important thing that you're gonna need to do is hit the insert button on your keyboard. Everybody should have an insert button on the keyboard, so it shouldn't be a problem. There you have your stamina, and the chords pop up. Now, if you look ahead at the options and go to the controls, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Push out, special sprint, left shift. Debug HUD. There you go. Debug HUD is what you're looking for. That's the insert key. So you can click on here. You can change it. You change it to like map or something. I keep on the insert key because that's the only way I can remember it. But there you have it. That's how you can find out how to, and you can change that. And you press it, boom, your HUD's up. So it's important. I keep it up actually at all the times. It's always nice to know where the stamina is. Always nice to know where you are in relation to others. So if you see somebody say like twins at -80, -80, something like that, that's them giving you chords. In this case, -80, -80 would be to the twins. That's what we call it here. And basically, it's huge lakes that you can very normally find fights at. It's almost always populated, so it's kind of like one of the main zones of the map currently, as is. So if you look down at the bottom right, then you see all the different kinds of like pretty numbers. Right now we're at 183, -91, and -11. So what are these numbers? What do they mean? Well, the first one on the left is going to be your x coordinate. Now, if you're thinking of a graph, that's how you kind of have to think of it. That's your x. In the middle there is your y coordinate. That'd be your above and below the horizontal equatorial zone. I don't remember what they call that. I haven't taken math in a long time. And then all the way over to the right, you have -11. And what -11 is -11 is your height. That number basically doesn't matter. That's the z, x, y, z. So when somebody says -80, -80, that means they want these first two numbers on that bottom to say -80. So we're going to actually do that now. How you can kind of tell which way you're going is you walk in a direction. Just pick a direction and see where the numbers are going. My highest number right now is going down, but slowly, and so is my other number. Let's check this way a little bit more now. It appears this way. This here, okay, so now when I'm facing this way, my X one, the first one on the left, is going down quite quickly, and the Y one isn't really changing by much. So that would mean to me that just about this way would be walking down that line perfectly. Alright, so we do want to get we want to raise the Y up just a little bit. So we want it to be -80, so that's going this way. And we want to get the 179 now, 1,790 down to -80. So we run in this direction. So keep an eye on those numbers now as we're running. You'll notice that the one -87, I correct a little bit to the right, kind of evens it out a little bit. -85. If I turn too much to the right, it's going to start going up again. See that? And then this way, at the same time, our number of 100s, our x axis, is going down quite rapidly. So we're going towards -80, -80. And this is really the premise of it. You know, you have to kind of keep your eyes on the number and make small adjustments as you run. Sometimes you're going to run into some terrain. As a raptor, you know, you can get there really pretty quickly. You're pretty mobile. But when you make a small adjustment to the right, ooh, hello. I came out of my left one, so I don't know where that guy was at. But anyway, you make small adjustments in order to kind of keep on the that kind of middle zone. You want to keep the Y relatively stationary as you move the other coordinates. So of course you can move both coordinates at the same time. However you want to do it, we just happen to be almost directly. I guess it'd be directly above if you're looking at a graph, the point where we want to be. So I'd keep running, keeping just along this X or this Y axis and changing my X number until I found -80, -80. Now I'm not going to do that for you right now. I think you guys have the picture, but remember, X, Y, Z. So -80, -100 means you want your Y, your middle one, to equal -100, and you want your first one to equal negative 80. The z all the way there at the end, it doesn't really matter. So keep that in mind. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found this helpful. If you are still struggling with kind of locations and stuff like that, do leave a comment below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Help you guys along. This is actually quite an interesting and fun game, even though there's not much to it yet. I really enjoy trying to kick dinosaur butt. What can I say? And I hope you guys do too. If you liked it, please leave a like, or if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, other graphs and fun stuff. You know I really do appreciate it. And share with some of your friends maybe if you think they'd be interested in the game. If you'd like to purchase the game, it can be found on Steam. It's about $20 at the time of this recording, so I don't know if it's going to be put on sale or anything soon. I hope it is. For your sake, do pick it up, do enjoy it, and do now use coordinates because they're helpful to find your packs. And as a raptor, you need to know where your pack is. Believe me. All right, guys. Peace out.